Hello and welcome to You Again Yoga. I'm Jo, and this morning I'm taking you through 3 rounds of Kapalabhati breath. Now, Kapalabhati breath is a great way to create some heat in the body and to wake the system up. Our breath holds at the end of each round will then bring the nervous system back down, so you're balancing out your parasympathetic and your sympathetic nervous systems, creating a more resilient nervous system in general. So begin in a seated position. You can do this on a chair or you can do this kneeling down. Kneeling down is a little bit easier than cross-legged because you get a bit more space in the waist. So if you have sensitive knees, roll over your mat or place a pillow underneath your knees for a bit more support and comfort. So with our Kapalabhati breath, we're focusing solely on the exhale. So as we inhale through the nose, our belly fills up naturally. As we exhale, we're pulling the belly into the spine, snapping it back and forcing the air out through our nose. The inhale then happens very naturally by releasing the belly and letting the air naturally come back in. So it looks a little bit like this. We're going to begin with 15 rounds of Kapalabhati breath. On our 16th, we'll take a deep inhale. We'll hold the breath just for a couple of seconds, only until you are really feeling comfortable. So never push past that point of comfort. Then we will exhale, let all the air out, hold the breath out again for a couple of seconds, remain comfortable. And then we take a few rounds of normal breath just to feel into the system, repeating 3 times. Okay, spine long. Take 2 rounds of normal breaths to begin with, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. One more. Relax the shoulders. And we inhale to begin. Hold the breath. Feel into the body. Exhale all the air out. Hold the breath out. Inhale and breathe normally. You can remain with the eyes closed or on a focus point down in front of you, just so that your eyes are still, allowing you to observe what's happening inside. Observe how the breath feels, how your body feels, how your energy feels. And then we repeat. Take a deep inhale to begin. Breath in. Inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale, let all the air out. Hold the breath out, observe. And breathe normally. Again, find your focus either on the floor or eyes closed. Observe into the body. Try to avoid any unnecessary movements. Allow the body to be still, the mind to be still, and you're just simply observing what is happening inside you. And we have one final round. Shoulders away from the ears. Take your deep breath in to begin. Inhale. Fill the lungs, hold the breath in, relax the shoulders, relax the neck, observe. And let the breath out, all the way out, relaxing everything. Hold the breath out. And inhale and exhale normally, finding that stillness, that focus point or eyes closed. Observe the body. Thank you for going through 3 rounds of Kapalabhati breath with me this morning. I hope you feel a little bit more energized and ready to take on your day. This is a great breath to use throughout your day whenever you feel you need that boost of energy or a bit of a more mental clarity. So for example, you've got a tasking task coming up ahead of you and you need a little bit more clarity in your mind. 3 rounds of Kapalabhati breath and hopefully your mind is a little clearer, your focus is a little sharper. And I hope to see you here again very soon. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. If you enjoyed this class, please subscribe for more short practices to calm a busy mind.